Okay. Having to adjust this thing to where it can be put on to get different sight speeds. I can't even see what it says. Get it out here so I can see it. Oh, okay. That's pretty cool. Easy to do, I think, too. Let's get the air in the tires now. Tire pressure. Inflate to 40 to 65. So let's put about 55 down. That's what we'll do. And put 50 on. Above it, because when I take this off, you always lose the blast. That's why we get at 55. Alright, there in the back one. This is on here good. I don't see anything out of whack there. I think we're together. Now let's go check the battery, see if it's charged. Alright, let's go on a ride, see how this thing does. I'm just pedaling on my own right now. tighten that up a little bit. It's loose. Pedaling on my own feels good. Alright. This is alright. Nice bike. Alright, let's go ahead and let's get a little help. Doing 16.6 miles per hour right there. 16, 17 miles per hour. 17.3. Moving on pretty good. That's all right. Oh my goodness, Karen's gonna love this. Stops. You pedal. It pedals with you. Hear the motor just a little bit, but not much. What's nice though is it's climbing me right up this hill. So easy. No work whatsoever. 14.5 miles per hour. She's not even having to work. It's in second gear. She's gonna go faster than me, so I'm gonna have to get me one of these bikes. This is cool. I'm just coast now. No battery usage right now because I'm not pedaling. And no power. I can hit the power right here though and speed up if I want to. This is assistance. This is the speeds. I want to see my average. I want to see my actual. Really don't think I'm going to run the battery down on this one. I'm going to just let it go at this speed. And I don't know that it matters what gear you're in, because the electric mode helps. Still at full battery. I've been, how many miles? I've got to look back here and see. Been almost 2 miles. Keep cruising at this speed. Bump it up a notch. If you go 7. See, so you stop paddling? Quit pulling. Is there no traffic? Here we go. That's pretty cool.
Okay, just a quick review of this bicycle that I just rode. First of all, I didn't get to ride it the entire time and run the battery down because it was just going to take all day long to do it. I don't know, I rode it about 5 miles and it never went down one single bar. And I don't have a good neighborhood to ride long distances to try to run the battery down, you know, because I was having to stop and start a lot. So anyway, basically the bike just did perfect, had no flaws that I could see. But I do want to mention, first of all, that I'm not being, I'm not promoting this bike because they gave it to me. I purchased this bike at its regular price. Now I did get a discount on it, which I'll tell you about. The discount also was pretty cool. It was basically, so I'm trying to think what it was, $200 off of the initial price, plus another $50, I think it was, off of its price. By using the Amazon credit card. I was trying to think how we did that. I think it was Amazon credit card, and it saved us a tremendous amount of money on the bicycle, so we was able to buy this. But the only thing I don't like about the bike is I wish it had a headlight and a tail light. You know, other than that, man, the bike performed flawlessly. Did great. I think my wife is really going to enjoy it. We're just hoping to be able to keep up with each other. You know, like I say in the beginning, my ulterior motive was to make sure that me and her can ride at the same speed and be able to, maintain an enjoyable ride. And I'm hoping this will help. And to be honest with you, since after this ride, I think I may end up purchasing me a bike similar to this, the male version possibly, for me. I don't know. I'm still debating on that because I'd still like riding the regular bicycle myself. You know, I'm pretty strong in my legs and everything, but as I get older, it gets a little harder. So I may want to get one so when we go on vacations and trips, we could take it with us. So that's all I got. If you've got any comments or anything that you'd like to mention about the bicycle or about this video, I did leave some things off. You know, I'm not hardly as good at doing this. This is my very first review of a bicycle as well, so I'm gonna get better at it, I hope, if we start doing this more. I'm hoping that'll happen as well. So if you like this, be sure and like and subscribe, give it a thumbs up. Anything you want to know about the bicycle, we'll have posted below. Also be able to find a link where you can purchase it on Amazon. Use our Linktree site that'll take you to everything that we also offer with our videos as well. So that's all I got. I don't want to keep running on, so enjoy the ride, and y'all keep watching.